Well, I always bring my Pop's mail bag with me because I never know what I'm going to need. And this is mainly all I'm using: a pair of pliers, some electrical cutters, a little shovel, garden shovel, hammer, and my knee pad. Actually, my knee pad that I leave at Mother's is a little small one. The owner had a bigger one, so I'm using that. And away I go. I've got my gloves on, my hat on. I should have some goggles on. I've got a back support brace on, my knee brace on. I even got a sweatshirt on, and it's probably 85 degrees today, but you know, it's best to be protected. Okay, got that little bit backfilled. Here's the bubbler there. Backfill, cut that in, put a bubbler in there, and there it is right there. And remember, these two, always got to be thinking about your project. These need water. One of them had water coming into it. Another pipe, there's some long pipes there. Remember, they were sitting right here. Well, I talked to the owner. I thought, since you're going to use this for your little garden area, why not put these over here? So you got enough room here first off, and then I can come up, dig a little trench, come up, and then just have the pipe exposed from there to there, not way over here. Same thing with this one, just exposed from there to there. Okay, so I got a little bit of work to move these rocks and all this stuff, and figure out what I'm going to do next. Okay, I'll always be looking at that before you start backfilling too far, because even though that the pipe is down there, see, remember this one here? I'm going to have to do something, but I can lift it up out of there. I can put a plug there, or if I'm going to go over to there, I can take that off and put the other pipe 1/4 inch tubing from there to there, or something like that. Okay, so just keep going, you know, one plant at a time. You can do it.